How to send a message to a seller on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can send a message to a seller on eBay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send a message to a seller on eBay, keep in mind that eBay doesn't directly let you contact the seller before purchasing the product. Only after you've bought the product for yourself and then you have some type of questions and queries with the seller, only then eBay will let you to actually order and then go ahead and then talk to the seller. And to find this, when you go to ebay.com, click the My eBay section from the top right and go to your purchase history. When you go to your purchase history, select the order for which you're having the trouble and then click on the drop down menu, which is the More button, and then you'll find the option to contact the seller from that way. Other than that, before ordering the product, you will not be able to do so. This way you'll be able to send a message to a seller on eBay. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.